Hello everybody. This Excel sheet will show you simply the official holidays of these 19 countries in Middle East. Simply this page, the first one, is summarizing the holidays in each country like this way. Afghanistan 16, Armenia 16, Azerbaijan 22, and gone. These official holidays for 2021. You can choose the country you need from this list like this way. And here we'll show you the date of the vacation or holiday and the day in text and the description of this holiday. This will help you if you need to plan or schedule new event you want. You will find this template in the link below. Thank you.